Now student, come to our next topic, accounting treatment of reserve and accumulated profits or losses. At the time of admission, if there is any general reserve fund or the balance of profit and loss account appearing in the balance sheet, it must be transferred to old partners' capital accounts in their old profit sharing ratio. The new partner is not entitled to any share of such reserve or profit, as there are undistributed profits earned by the old partners. Journal entries are: for distributing reserve and accumulated profits, entry will be general reserve account debit, reserve fund account debit, profit and loss account, credit balance of profit and loss debit to old partners capital or current account. This we will distribute in their old ratio. For distributing accumulated losses among old partner in old ratio, old partners capital or current account debit to profit and loss account, debit balance of profit and loss to advertisement suspense account to deferred revenue expenditures. For distributing surplus of a specific reserve, the firm may have created some specific reserves like workman compensation reserve or investment fluctuation reserve to meet certain future obligation at the time of admission of new partner. Such reserves may be in excess of actual obligation. Such excess reserve will be transferred to capital account of old partners in old ratio. The entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital or current account. Students, entries for transferring the reserve and accumulated profits or losses must be passed even if the question is silent on this point. It means, students, if no any information given to distribute the reserve and accumulated profit, but if these are given in our question, so we will distribute it. Okay. Next important point, employees provident fund, employees saving account appear on the liability side of the balance sheet, are not distributed among old partners as they are not reserve but are the outside liabilities payable by the firm. In next video, students, we will discuss our example related to reserve and accumulated profits. Thank you, students.